On October 4, 2023, the United States Federal Emergency Management Agency FEMA has scheduled a nationwide test for the emergency alert system. This test is set to occur at 2:20 p.m. Eastern Time and is anticipated to last for approximately 1 minute. During this period, every television, radio, and cell phone across the United States will emit the distinctive and attention-grabbing electronic alert tone, along with a message similar to the following. This is a nationwide test of the emergency alert system, initiated by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 1420 to 1450 ET. This is only a test, and no action is required by the general public.